Hello, Professor. This is Naveen from class CISC 504. This is my walkthrough video on Assignment 1, Vital Python. First question is to assign a number to variable x and increment its value. I perform multiplication, addition, subtraction from the variable and executed successfully with the below results. And coming to the second question, the second question is to find solution using Pythagorean theorem in the three dimension using Python. The basic formula for Pythagorean theorem in three dimension is d is equal to under root a square plus b square plus c square. We are going to implement this using Python. First of all, I declared three variables x, y, z, imported math library to use square root function. I'm gonna add squares of three variable and store as sum using math library square root of the sum in the expected result. And coming to the third question, it is to take user input, greet them back and ask for rating. For this, I used input function to ask user name. Then my print function will greet the user with hello following the name. I stored the user rating as the rating using input function, limiting the input to integers by using int after users entered this input. I greet them back as follows. And coming to the fourth question, to find the least common multiple. Fourth question is to find the least common multiple. LCM is known as the least common multiple between the given members. Here a and b are two variables and x is the LCM value. In order to write a logic to find LCM, initially x is assigned to a greater value variable. Using a while loop, I will iterate n number of times until the assumed value of x when divided by both a and b will give a zero remainder. This condition helps us to find LCM of a and b, which is now stored as x. In the condition it is not satisfied, we will increment the value of assumed x until it is divided by both a and b with a remainder 0. If the condition is satisfied, we use the break statement to exit the loop. Thus, LCM of a and b will be displayed. And coming to the question number 5 is to interact with user as a bot. First, a bot is created and then it asks random questions. Here in the program, the questions are, hey, what is your name? Hey, how old are you? What are your hobbies? So I created a list of string with these questions. I used random functions which will pick one of the question from the list using if and elif function which will ask user for the name and takes input from the user and greets the user back. I created a second bot which will ask the user with these questions: how much do you like Mondays on a scale from 1 to 10? If the response is less than or equal to 5, it will print, wow, you must hate Mondays, or else it will print, wow, you must love Mondays using if and elif statements. So here we complete the uh, here I complete the explanation of my project on Vital Python. Thank you.